Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to a brand new YouTube video. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly why I chose to stop trading meme coins and why I started deving them instead, and why that decision alone has made me hundreds of thousands of dollars in the past couple of months. When it comes to deving, you have nothing to lose, okay? It costs nothing to launch a coin, and that's exactly what makes deving so profitable. In this video, I will be showing you my deving strategy on exactly how I find narratives, how I launch them, and how I make money from doing that. I am not here to sell you a course or to sell you a paid group. I'm just here to put everyone watching my videos on. Let's get straight to it. And by the way guys, I am not a LARP. I've genuinely made all my money from creating coins. And trust me bro, this video has so much sauce, you guys will have to take notes. Now look guys, there's a high chance that you watching this video, you've lost a lot of money in the trenches, whether it's trading or doing other stuff. But the truth is that most of these coins just end up going to zero. The meme coin game is rigged, okay? Most coins, they pump and then they dump. And this right here is called a rug pull. It could be called a pump and dump. It could be called anything that you want to call it, okay? And this happens most of the time on all coins, or sometimes they pump and then they just bleed out to zero. But that's not because of the traders, that's because of the creator behind the coin. The creator, for example, he is the one launching these coins and then cashing out his supply, making thousands of dollars, okay? And other traders on the other hand are all losing money. Some of them are profiting, but most of them are losing their portfolio. And that's exactly why a couple months ago I went from trading to deving, because now I am the one who is creating these viral coins every single day, banking off all the traders. I make money from two different ways as a dev. The first way is the creator fees. Every single transaction that you get in your own coin, you get a fee as a dev, and that alone makes a lot of money. And also the second thing is your supply. Like I said, you make money from your supply. Once you dump it, once you sell, you make money as a dev from that way too. Now in this video, I will be showing you guys exactly how to find viral narratives, how to launch them, how to create them. Everything will be executed in this video because I will do a live example to actually show you how it's done. Okay, I am the only guy on YouTube doing a live example. So anyways, let's get straight to it. And by the way bro, everything in this video is for educational purposes only. I am not a financial advisor. I'm just here to show you how it's done. That's it, that's all. Do your own research, cap. Now, the first step is, where do you even make your coins at? Now look guys, do not get me wrong, most people make them on Pump.Fun, but that is the wrong place to launch coins. It's oversaturated and over competitive. There's too many coins coming out on Pump.Fun every single second, and most of these coins, they get no traction, they get no volume, no one buys them. You need to have a wallet with a bunch of motion if you want to have a chance of making money on Pump.Fun. So instead, I personally make my coins on the Radium DEX. I've seen way more success launching to Radium in the migrate section because there's more volume, and you know, when a coin goes to Radium, it gets a bunch of trust and a bunch of credibility. Okay, so you can get a lot of buyers from launching here. That's why I launch on Radium. Now, to launch on Radium, do not use Pump.Fun because it will have to go through a migration price for it to level up to Radium. Instead, use memecreate.io. It's the best launchpad out right now. It's free by the way, and it's highly get kept because every single coin goes to Radium, reaching thousands of people, and most devs do not even know that you can launch to Radium using memecreate.io. And making a meme coin on memecreate.io is actually really simple. You have multiple options. The first option is to obviously create a coin from scratch, whether you have a viral narrative in mind. It could be anything, like literally anything, a project, you can make it here. It takes a couple seconds and it's done. But I love to stick with my personal strategy, which is a copy trending coins feature, also known as vamping coins. I'm sure you've already heard of that. It's pretty simple. All these coins are going viral. They all have a good narrative, and they're all going viral on Pump.Fun right now with a bunch of buyers. So we will be using these narratives to launch them, to raid them instead, and get a bunch of buyers using these narratives, which are proven to attract buyers. Okay, I will even do an example if you are confused on how it works. Let's go. Now obviously the first step is to connect your Phantom wallet to interact with the blockchain, right? And now it's time to actually make money from deving. It's a live example, okay? So make sure you stick around. It's going to be insane. Take your notes out, get your popcorn. Let's see how much we can make from a vamp. Now, let me see if I can copy one. I usually just go for one out of the bloom. I just choose one from randomness. So this one right here, Cupsy. I'm gonna copy the Cupsy coin. Click on copy the radium. Your Phantom wallet is going to show up, right? Just ignore the block. Click on proceed, confirm. I understand, confirm, and then the coin will be created shortly. Just wait. And bang, bro. Now if I go into a scan, you guys can see that it's on chain. Everything is legit. Now it's time to create the liquidity pool. Now this page right here is really easy. It's where we create the random liquidity pool. Like that, it can go to radium and reach a bunch of buyers. That is the whole point, right? We want to skip the bonding curve to go to radium. Now for the amount of coins, click on 90%. Under right here, okay, put anywhere from 0.3 to 1 sol. I usually put 0.3, 0.5, 0.6 around there, okay? For this video, I'm going to put 0.3. Basically, you are buying in as a dev some supply. Like that, you can make profits when the coin gains more value and more traders. That is the whole point, right? That's how you make money from supply. But look guys, if you want this back at any moment, you can. It is not a loss. Okay, let me just clarify that. Click on create pool. Your Phantom wallet is going to show up. Just wait, and then ignore the block. Click on proceed, confirm, I understand, confirm. After that, bro, click on the refresh button and then scroll down, and bang, the Cupsy coin is live. Your piano is right there. Everything should be good. People are now able to buy your coin. And look guys, look, you're gonna be impressed. Click on the refresh button. And now, as you guys can see, we're up 190 bucks. This is insane. This means your coin is getting insta buyers. Okay, people are buying your coin. That is a great sign usually. Now go on your trading platform for meme coins. It can be anything, right? Just find your coin and go on it. And now the coin is live. Bang, we're at a 1k liquidity already, 2k market cap. We're already up like a couple $100. This is what I'm talking about, guys. Create meme.io with radium is insane. Look at this. All this volume is pumping in. By the way, these are all random buyers. I did no promotion. I never do promotion for my coins. I just dev, and that's it, using narratives, right? Now I'm gonna let this coin ride for a bit. And by the way guys, do not be scared, okay, on this coin. Do not be emotional. It costed you nothing to create this coin. I have people in my Discord server creating 10, 20, 50 coins a day, and they're printing. Like guys, there's always going to be another coin. I'm gonna let this coin run for a bit. When I come back, I'll show you how to cash out. So let's go. Alright guys, I am back, and as you guys can see, we're already at a 15k market cap. That is good. Let's cash out right now, bro. I could wait longer, but you know, I'm impatient. I want to make money now. Come back to create meme.io, and obviously, bro, click on the refresh button once again. And as you guys can see, bro, damn, we're up 2.5 bands on this meme coin. We're not LARPing, okay? We've done it live on camera. Now look, to cash this out in your Phantom wallet, right, click on the minus button, do 100%, remove liquidity. Your Phantom wallet is going to show up, right? Just ignore the block, click on proceed, confirm, I understand, confirm. And bang, bro, I just cashed out our supply, our profits in my Phantom wallet, bro. Bang, 2.5 bands straight inside the wallet. And obviously, bro, this method will not die out. It's still untapped. There's still millions to be made. It's a $1 million industry. Okay, so be consistent. Launch like 50 to 100 coins, and then you can DM me, okay, and we can connect if you want. But yeah, stay consistent. It's not for educational purposes only, by the way. And memecreate.io will be linked down below, bro. It's the only legit website